Yep, Tedder's first bedtime.
Oh yeah, you put her down while I unload our van off. However, that's gonna screw up their nap times. Charlie still needs to go down around 1-ish.
Actually, you might want to go down around noon because he got up at 6:15
He gets up.
every day. Well, no, like 6:30, 6:45.
What's the difference between 6:15 and 6:30? 15 minutes. What is your argument?
He's at 6:45.
Oh yeah. Go big. By 6:30, Charlie's already on his morning commute around the house.
Jeez. It's gotta be the traffic. Hey, buddy.
We need to get Charlie a little like reusable Starbucks cup that he can keep in on his commute. Maybe put a radio in there that's stuck on NPR.
Yes. Exactly. Guys, it's been so long since I've listened to NPR. It's been like 3 years. 2 years. 2 years.
What is going on? Oh, because we have it on
Oh, I had it.
defrost.
Oh, that's what's up. Turned off the defrost.
Just in feet. Yeah, let's go hard. All the way. Don't be afraid of it.
We forgot to get baking soda.
I got a little baking soda, and I gotta get a Ralph's delivery anyway. Do you want to look at freshwater marina life real quick while we're
No.
here?
Oh, because it'll keep Tedder's. Okay.
Hopefully we can sync them up again on their dormancy today.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Although I'm
God, I
tired
wish
of wearing that mask.
I wish you spoke Spanish.
Oh, I know. It'd be much easier. Why don't you start like saying words, like saying phrases like that and seeing if I can pick them up?
Okay.
So what would that be?
¿Quieres ver a las peces? ¿Quieres? Do you
¿Quieres
ver?
ver?
Do you want to see
¿Quieres ver
las peces?
las peces?
Fishes.
That's right. ¿Quieres?
Or-
¿Quieres
Yeah.
veras?
¿Quieres ver a las peces?
¿Quieres
Or los
ver
peces, I guess.
a
Or-
las peces?
Yeah. Or we can just say, I can say, ¿Quieres ir a la tienda de pez? Or de... I would say, yeah, tienda de pez. Do you want to go to the store of... Yeah. Blah, 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 blah.
You see a shark? Oh, that's a seal. Or a sea lion. Sea lion. Yeah. You can definitely do that.
Nope,
Close to public.
not an essential business.
Oh, they're still working. They're still helping them, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Most of their money came from
Huh?
most of their money came from private donors and grants.
Right. I mean, I'm sure they got like tuppence from people.
The wicked shall be turned into hell.
Where was that?
Oh, it's thumpers thumping their thumbs.
Yeah.
Keep your Jewish zombie to yourself. It's not Gaffy,
Is this Gaffy?
Okay, you're right. Never mind. God,
Jeez, is it that time of the month?
Oh, they can snack on Charlie's lunch. This is probably the best pizza in San Pedro. They just don't deliver.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you know?
I had it before. You've had it before, I think. I have bought it before. It says don't do delivery. Or am I doing that?
Thankfully, they are 3 minutes from your house.
Yes. Yes.
So, if we're feeling
Saucy. Did that pizza joke fall flat, Kristen?
cheese.
Jeez. Here's Pioneer. Now open, takeaway, delivery, and sit-down dining. Outside. Oh, wow, they took away the whole parking lot.
Yep, they took away all of that handicap parking.
Yep. I didn't realize COVID superseded the ADA.
Yes, it does. Commerce supersedes the ADA. Commerce supersedes life and death, man. Life, death, and health. Always has. Always has.
They'd actually probably be okay because they don't have any other parking. The requirement for ADA is if you have parking with other people, you have to have ADA.
Oh,
So I get that, I don't know if it's necessarily fair to those who really need it, but that makes sense.
they do have parking in the back too.
Yeah. But every time we've been here, we've had great parking.
Yeah.
So I used it.
You're sweaty? I'm glad. Here. I know you have. But we're gonna go do something real fun right now. It's one more errand.
But
It's just for you, Charlie.
the world's most fun
Yeah.
errand.
This is for you and Teddy, okay? I think Teddy likes it better than you do.
You can actually walk this time.
Okay? Okay.
And you can, I feel comfortable her doing her in the store. There's not as many people.
Yeah, well, that may be. It has been a long day, you're right, buddy. Mm-hmm.
How'd you know, Charlie?
There's the pictures. Hey, do you want more fish?
That's what we're thinking. We're gonna take a look. Come on, Prince Charlie. He's down. Here's he, Charlie up.